Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and right now we're going to answer the cash and cash equivalents problems. So I just want you to take note that this is based on Philippine um, financial reporting standards. So please take note of that because we have different kind of standards, especially on different countries. So right now we're going to use the PFRS here in the Philippines. So this is the question one and two. As you can see, there is an answer already, but we need to prove that this is the right answer. So right now, let's start. For question number one and two are based from the following information. On December 31, 2018, the cash account of Masagana Company showed a balance of 396,980 pesos. The bank statement on that date showed a balance of 415,000 pesos. Upon examining the cash records and the bank statements, the following information were determined. Letter A, there was a bank service charge of 1,500 for the month of December. Letter B, there was a credit memo for a note collected by the bank for Masagana. The customer's note is 90,000 pesos with interest of 2,600. The bank charged a collection fee of 550 pesos. On letter C, December 31, receipts for 289,000 pesos were deposited only on January 2, 2019. And letter D is checks issued which have not yet cleared the bank as December 31, 2018 amounts to 186,610. On letter E, there is a debit memo for 45,322 pesos for a customer's check return marked DAIF. And letter F, a receipt of 90,000 has been entered as 60,000 in the cash book. Check number 12345 issued amounting to 49,100 was erroneously recorded as 41,900, and check number 12346 issued in the correct amount of 5,820 had been taken up as 58,200. Question number one is, what is the correct amount of cash to be presented on the December 31, 2018 financial statements? So right now we're going to determine first the unadjusted balance of the book and an adjusted balance of bank. So here, the book balance is given, which is 396,980. And next is the bank balance, which is 415,000. So right now we're going to consider all the book and bank reconciling items. So letter A, there was a bank service charge of 1,500 for the month of December. So bank service charge is a book reconciling item. Bank service charge, which will be going to deduct on the initial balance, 1,500. Next will be letter B. There was a credit memo for a note collection by the bank for Masagana. The customer's note is 90,000 with interest of 2,600. The bank charged a collection fee of 550,000. That is also a um, book reconciling item. So credit memo, okay, no, collection of notes receivable amounting to 90,000. Next is also in letter B, we will include the interest, 2,600. And we will deduct the bank service charge, the bank charges, which amounting to 550 pesos. So let's now go to the letter C. December 31 receipts of 289 were deposited only on January 2, 2019. So this is a deposit in transit. So that is a bank reconciling item, the IT, deposit in transit. We will add this 189,000 pesos. Letter D, checks issued which have not yet cleared by the bank as of December 31, 2018 amounts to 186,610, or simply that is an outstanding check that we will be deducted on the bank balance. So that amounts to 186,610. So let's go to the letter E. The debit memo of 445,324 customer checks return marked DAIF or drawn against insufficient fund. So that reconciling item, excuse me, that reconciling item is belongs to bank. I mean belongs to book, and we need to deduct it to the book. So that is 45,320. And letter F. Letter F, a receipt of 90,000 have been entered as 60,000 in the cash books. So a receipt of 90,000 has been entered as 60,000 in the cash book. So basically it is an error. So the book should have 90,000, but it was entered 60,000. So we need to add 30,000 more to reconcile the book balance. Next is the check 12345 issued amounting 49,000 was erroneous record as for 41,900. Okay, this is an issue again. Check 12345. Anyway, we're going to get this. That is the bank balance, which is 517,390. Check 12345. Okay, 49,100. So we're going to deduct 41,900 minus that's 100 minus 41,900. That is less than 7,200. And next is check 12346. Issued in the correct amount or had been taken up as 58,200. So we're going to deduct this also. So 58,200 minus 58,200. Going to add this. Sorry for this one. I think this is inverted. That's it. So the bank balance and the book balance is now equal. So the answer will be letter B, 517,390. So right now we're going to answer question number 2. Option number 2. Question number 2, how much is the net adjustment to the cash at December 31? So we're just going to get the book balance here and deduct it here at the new adjusted. Adjusted. So we're going to deduct this 2 to get the answer. So this is the answer. This is the net adjustment to cash at December 31, 120,410 pesos. So that's it for our video for today. We're going to answer another question on our next video. See you and goodbye, everyone.